Hello, and thank you for your inquiry of our listing, 23650 7th Avenue South in Des Moines. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath, just shy of 2,500 square feet. Let's go take a look. Okay, so here is a side yard. It comes with the house. It is buildable. We have more information about that if you want that. And here is, believe it or not, the back of the house. Okay, so here is the front of the house. Let's go on inside. Okay, so I'm in the house. From the main door off to the right is your formal dining room. And right across from it is your formal sitting room. And this has the fireplace. It's double-sided. So right around the corner here is our open concept living room. There's the other part of the fireplace. Look at that view. Sliding glass doors outside to your main level deck. That is your dining room into your kitchen. So coming from the kitchen, we have off to our left your laundry room. And right beside it is your master. Beautiful, huge walk-in closet, as you can see, holds a lot. Here is your master bedroom. Good size room. Bay window with hello, that view again. And your own entrance to the deck with the sliding glass doors. And then right around the corner is your master bath. Coming out of the master off to your left is going to be another bathroom. And right beside it is another bedroom. You can use this as an office space, bedroom, bonus room. And right beside that is another bedroom. Alright, and I'm going to take you guys downstairs. Okay, so I'm now downstairs, and from the right of the stairs is bonus room, set up as a family room, kids room. Over here, right now, this is just being utilized as a great big storage area. However, there are hookups and building plans if you wanted to turn this into a downstairs bathroom. And then going on the other side of the stairs, we've got this bonus area. Sliding glass doors to outside, and through door number 1 is your first garage. They are still moving, excuse the mess. And through door number 2 is your second part of your garage. Great, big, huge, spacious, Goes really far back. All right, let's take you guys outside to see that view better. Okay, so I'm back on the main level, out on the deck, and look at that view. Just absolutely gorgeous. It's a really good sized deck. Lots of space for seating, entertaining. Those are those sliding glass doors from your master. I'm gonna bring you around here to the other side. Give you a little 360 there. Okay, so there you have it. Again, I am out at 23650 7th Avenue South in Des Moines. If you want any more information about this property or you want your own private tour set up, we are still in COVID, so everything is by appointment, private tour only. You can reach me at the number below, 253-797-9008. Have a great day. Bye.